Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a close look at the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike. One of the most compact and affordable folding e-bikes designed for urban commuters and casual riders. Before we get into the details, make sure to check the link below to grab yours today at the best discounted price. The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 weighs just 49 pounds, making it one of the lightest folding e-bikes in its class. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive performance with a 45-mile max range and a 20 miles per hour top speed. It's powered by a reliable rear hub motor and a long-lasting lithium battery that offers 5 pedal assist levels, allowing you to choose between a light workout or a fully assisted cruise. Built with convenience in mind, this bike folds down quickly for easy storage in your car, office, or apartment. The 20-inch wheels and well-balanced frame provide a stable ride, while the Class 1 and Class 2 e-bike settings let you switch between pedal assist and throttle modes depending on your ride preference or local regulations. The XP Lite 2.0 also introduces upgraded comfort and control with improved brakes, smoother pedal response, and better acceleration than the previous version. Its minimalist LCD display shows your speed, assist level, and battery status at a glance. Designed for adults and commuters, it's ideal for short trips, last-mile rides, or anyone who wants an ultra-portable electric bike for everyday use. Final verdict: the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike offers incredible value. Lightweight, foldable, and efficient with a practical 45-mile range and solid top speed. It's the perfect choice for urban riders who want portability without sacrificing performance. Check the link below now to get the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 at today's best price before the deal ends.